All right, so things are changing. At this point, you should have already completed the autopsy training. And now you will begin working on cases. So for the next 4 weeks, starting with this week, I have a case every week for you to do. This will be the first case that you'll do. This is getting you on the road to getting ready for the small and large cases that you'll be doing in the second half of the semester. So this case one is a graded quiz, so you don't have to submit anything like a report. You just have to answer questions in the quiz. I have already put the questions here. So what you need to do is you'll need to go to the Google Drive where you had the videos for autopsy. And you'll see case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4. Ignore these. I'm going to be adding more cases soon. So for now, you're just going to go into case 1. And there's the zip file you need, a small one at that. Feel free to use any of the tools that you have at your disposal. Remember in module 1, we set up Scotty and SandSift and whatnot. And you also went through autopsy training. So use all those tools and any other online tools to help you answer these questions. This is your first run as an investigator. As always, I do not expect anyone to work completely on their own unless you absolutely want to. It is optional for you to work on your own. You can always work with others, and I encourage you to work with others, specifically because as you go through the next couple of cases, things are going to get harder. There's going to be more to search. And honestly, one person by themselves could probably not be able to do all the cases. This first case you could probably do on your own. But as we go into cases 3 and 4 and then the others, I think it would be beneficial to everyone to work together, which I know is such a reverse from a normal class where you're supposed to be able to do it on your own and whatnot, but investigators work in groups. So I don't see a logical reason to force you to work on your own. So check out the little story. I gave you the MD5s in case of any corruption. And I also gave you some questions for you to tackle. So my honest suggestion is have the answers to these before you take the quiz. So go through the evidence, answer the questions to the best of your ability, provide the answers ready, then go ahead and take the quiz and put your answers in to these questions. You'll have 15 minutes to submit. Questions about the assignment this week, or your case, your first case. I see no questions. Oh, I do see a question. Let me finish doing this thing so that it uploads, publish. Okay. Will it work to split up the work by making a group and having each person answer 3 other questions and sharing answers? I don't care how you do that. I'm not going to micromanage you. You can split it up. You can divide it in half, divide however you want. There are quite the number of people in this course, so you should be able to ping each other on Discord and iron that out. The real purpose of these labs isn't to see how isn't necessarily the answer, but more so how you work together, how you solve these challenges. It's really the using information more so than getting information. You know, it's not, this isn't a math class where you have to know the formula in your mind before walking in. It's here's the information. Now let's do something with it. Other questions? Okay, I don't see other questions in the chat. So as always, if you do come up with some, ask away on Discord.